museum, the first even in West Africa, features an impressive private collection of vintage and classic vehicles, such as a 1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K, a 1932 Ford Deuce, a 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne, a 1986 Mercury Tiffany, and many more. Invited guests to the event include Ghana's traditional monarch, Asantene Otumfuo Osei Tutu II.
Together. We haven't seen anything like this before in Africa. I stand to be corrected.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I mean, if you're my OG and if you are new, my name is Lily, and if you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please do it to give this video a like. This is a reaction video to a video I saw on a Nigerian news station. The name is Channels Television. Now, this topic is a topic that have trended and still trending here in Ghana. Yeah, myself, I've not done the video. Maybe later I'll tell you why I didn't do it, but choose to react to this video that talked about that video. So I'm like, so it means that Nigerians are seeing things that are happening in Ghana. Well, before we talk about more, let's take a look at the video I'm talking about.
Museum, the first even in West Africa, features an impressive private collection of vintage and classic vehicles, such as a 1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K, a 1932 Ford Deuce, a 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne, a 1986 Mercury Tiffany, and many more. They're now on display to the public for the first time. Invited guests to the event include Ghana's traditional monarch, Asantene Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, celebrities and other special guests of honor. Guests could not help taking photographs of the awe-inspiring collection.
This is one of the
Ghanaian actor and comedian Richard Kweku Asante, also known as Calibos, described the museum as one of the modern states of art, praising its unmatched status in West Africa.
This is one of the modern states of art, yes, as you can see, despite automobile museum. So far in West Africa, I can tell you for a fact that you can't find this anywhere else. My general impression is just wonderful. I mean, coming in here, seeing cars that you can only see on televisions, on movies, yeah, in movies and all that. You're seeing it here, you can touch them and feel it. It's something you should watch out for. Yeah.
Other respondents noted the careful attention to detail and its potential as a major tourist draw, and another said they had not seen anything like it before.
This place is one of one. I don't think there's anything like this here in Ghana or the whole continent of Africa. The cars are very beautiful, and you can tell that attention to detail has been put into place when making this museum. Everything looks amazing, and I'm sure many people would want to come and see this place and even ride in the cars. So I can say that they've done a very good job putting this place together.
We haven't seen anything like this before in Africa. I stand to be corrected, but this is massive, and I'm so proud of Dr. Osei Kwame Despite for making this huge for us, because this is a museum, auto museum in Ghana. So I'm urging each and every one, wherever you are, come to Ghana, come and experience this, because this is magnificent.
The opening of the Despite Automobile Museum is expected to boost Ghana's cultural and tourism profile, while offering valuable educational opportunities for car enthusiasts, students, and historians. Dr. Osei Kwame Despite, whose inspiring journey from cassette seller to business mogul is widely celebrated. He also leads the Despite Group, which encompasses Peace FM, UTV, Neat Foods, and Best Point Savings and Loans.
See, no offense, but I feel like my people can see things from Ghana. Now, I don't have any issues with this, especially now that I understand it is a museum. I have always thought that it is somebody's personal gallery automobile gallery, and that, if you know me, you know, is usually not something that concerns me, regardless of where that thing is, if it is in Ghana, Nigeria, or the US. Now, understand that it is for tourism and not a show off for one man. That I didn't know before. But see, if my people could see this, now it means that Nigerians are seeing this in Ghana. Now, Channels Television themselves have agreed that this is the first of its kind in West Africa, in fact, in Africa. So why are they not seeing Adizade College? Why can't they see the senior high schools in Ghana? I don't want to talk about the unis, okay, because it's not going to be possible. But what about the schools in Ghana? Why can't they see and report? Nítorí Ọlọ́run, how? See, who I don't want to swear for anybody, but why can't they see and make a report about that? I must display that video in this video at Adizade College. Just one. Why can't? I would love to stumble on a news station in Nigeria. I would love to wake up one day and a Nigerian news station is reporting about the education sector in Ghana. I would love it. I would like to see how my fellow Nigerians will react to that. Seriously, but they are not doing it. Now, a Ghanaian that has the interests of Nigeria at heart have invited me over to our house one day and told me to present my videos politely so that if ever, so that when the government sees it, it won't be like an attack on them, but it will be like a plead. Because, see, at the knee down, I have done. See, I'm going to display this video here, and I will be, yeah, just, please, sir, I respect you, I worship you, I appreciate you for all the things you have done. Yeah, the things that you think you have done, I appreciate you. Ejo, can you see a school in Ghana? Nítorí Ọlọ́run, see this school in Ghana, Ejo, sir. Yes, God will bless you, okay? I know you will do it. I know you can do it. Now, I believe that is how she wants me to put it, so that at least they will hear us out. Ejo, sir. See. Now, I'm going to also show this school in Abia State that needs your help. Ejo, sir, Ejo. See, the tutu could make sense. It doesn't make sense. See, I'm just happy that they can see things in Ghana, but I wish they see beyond. This tourism is almost like entertainment. I wish they see beyond that and also see other things happening in Ghana. Anyway, I won't be surprised if I wake up next year and I hear that there is a big automobile museum in Nigeria owned by a Nigerian. Then we'll go start to banter who owned it first, who started it. Just like the dirty December in my Korokoro eye, right in front of me, inside my eye, Korokoro eyeball. My people say, "Na them start them." And some of us, because we are not intelligent enough to know how to lie, the thing still they shock me. The thing is still a surprise to me. How people are insisting that Nigeria is the originator of Dirty December. I've said, okay, let it be like that. I can remember when this Dirty December thing started. I know a lot of Nigerians that came from Nigeria to Ghana just for the Dirty December, so they could attend Afro-Chala, Afro Nations, and other events that were happening in Accra, Ghana. In 2019, especially. That's in 2019. But I'm surprised to wake up in 2024 and I'm hearing that Ghanaians copied from Nigeria. See, I don't get it. The way my people copy some things is not a bad thing, but what if you copy something that would benefit even the poor masses? John, to real long, take a look into this. Just help me take a look into it. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm happy that they posted this there. This is Channels Television. It's not just on the internet. It's a national television. I would say it's the most influential news station in Nigeria. So it means that President Tinubu, so you have seen this video. Channels Television, post schools too now. Post schools too. That inclusion, that post schools too now. God go bless you now. Okay, before I sound too dramatic, let me end this video here. Let me know what you think down there at the comment section. And I think I will visit this museum. Now that I know it is a museum, I will visit. I thought it was somebody's personal automobile gallery, which, if you ask Lily, wake me from sleep. I don't know how it feels. And it's not something I want to know how it feels. That is maybe because of my ice cream poor background. So it has made me not have any interest in material things in life, especially things like that, you know. So now that I know it's a museum and not an individual's automobile gallery for a show off, now that means a video loading, I got to pay a visit to the museum. So I get to see this beautiful #1 in Africa automobile museum located in Accra, Ghana. Thank you so much. And another, before we go, how did you see the pronunciation of?
Guests to the event include Ghana's traditional monarch, Asantene Otumfuo Osei Tutu II.
How did you see the pronunciation of the king of the Ashanti Kingdom by a Nigerian? She tried, right? Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.